Riley, what you doing? Are you helping Mommy plant flowers? Huh?
What happened with flowers?
Flowers? Now we're gonna have to give her a bath.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that dirt? Dirt?
Yeah. It's right.
Look at all these flowers in your playground. Wow.
What is it?
Yeah, flowers and playground.
Flowers in your playground. Dirt?
Look.
Hmm?
Look.
Okay, let's switch. I'll take this one and you can have that one.
Having fun?
Yeah. Nice, Daddy.
What?
You're right. Do this one. You put it in the bucket and squeeze it. Here, do this one. This one.
Uh-oh.
I'll get it.
Fluffy. Look, Fluffy.
No, bring the dirt over here, Riley.
Riley, bring the dirt to Mommy. Bring the dirt to Mommy.
Bucket.
Put in the bucket. Yay! Mommy's turn to give you a bath tonight.
You think there's a lot of dirt in the tub after soccer practice?
Yeah.